Well, them have a thing where them say like dancehall are dead. Dancehall now dead is like, to me, they're fighting dancehall more than it a did. If them did give it like a more strength than what them a give it now, I think it would be bigger. Because up to now, I don't see they really appreciate dancehall as how they're supposed to. And then now, when a next man from a next country take up the thing now and start run with it, them start to talk and say, oh, the man they gone with it and the man they gone with it. But you yourself, dancehall is originated from Jamaica and you not give it that strength there. So when you see somebody else from a next country take it up and run with it, you have to just make it stay, just allow it.
Yeah, that's
because
so true.
you not give it the strength where it's supposed to get. So how as when you see a next man take it and run with it, you want to have all type of things to say. So I just think dancehall could be bigger, could be better, but just the fight where it get. And there's a lot of artists doing well, and I look up to them also. And just want them to just go and do them thing and just go and big up dancehall same way.
I know that you had a competition recently. What really inspired you about that competition?
Oh yeah, like Magnum Kings and Queens.
Yeah.
I have friends and families that told me to go and enter, but I never wanted to enter because you know that competition thing they go. I mean, I said, you know, if I go walk in a sun and beg people money and thing, I can't do that because we can't do that begging something there. but just make up my mind and we'll just go, and it helped me a lot because it like people know me and all of that, so it did something for me. And I love Magnum Kings and Queens. Can't miss me no time. Can't miss me no time. I have to make sure someone watch it because I love to see upcoming talent. I love to see when them do good, especially the females them. So yeah.
So now you have a lot of songs out now, especially I believe the latest one, which is Gold Wine.
Right.
Tell us about that.
Well, Gold Wine, it's a dancehall whining song, so I just do it for the girl them, because when I heard the rhythm with Salty on it, I say, see the thing I go viral, so I say, I have to jump on the rhythm there before nobody else jump on it, you know, because the rhythm I get back hot, you know. And I just don't know the rhythm and just do my thing until the producer hear it and say like it and him take it and all of that. So all of the girls them know for wine and TikTok and Gold Wine and broke out. You can't just do a thing and send in some videos and think I have a competition for it too.
Yeah.
And all of that. So that's how it Gold Wine come about. Because I realized that the dancing song them I take charge in the dancehall now. So I say, no, I go dancehall. Because I was going to counteract the Vegas on the rhythm. And I said, hey, wow, love that here, man. We'll have a brand new song for the girl. And just deal with it.
So is that the only song you are currently promoting?
No, I have one named Dead Body.
That one?
Yeah, I have one named Dead Body and the party string with him. Big up Jack Cooks, you don't know. You're think that, yeah, for all of the man them, when no say, when the thing not dead. Yeah, because you have some man, you know, them go on like say, them, you know, when them go in at the bedroom and them
full of stamina.
Yeah, them go like them full of stamina and sometimes them pop down. And when them pop down, them blame the woman them and say the woman them fall because the woman have no vibes and ray and hair. When I feel, them just never born with that stamina there. And them blame the woman them, so me I burn them out. Because them not run for burn out the female them and call them big this and big that. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
So, but just I take it to them.
So DJ Don Kingston put out a mixtape recently, and you were featured on that.
Right.
So tell us how you felt when you heard that mixtape.
It's a good feeling, you know, because when you see the work, your work is totally paying off now. it's always gonna be that feeling where make you feel happy and feel glad because you've been putting in the work over the years. So I go want to see results. So when you see results, I go happy. I go feel good in yourself and say your work finally appear from thing.
And look, I appreciate.
And right.
So knowing that you have been in the business for basically a decade,
Right.
tell us some of the shows that you have worked on.
Well, I've worked on GT Taylor Christmas Extravaganza 2005, and basically just some liquor round the street thing and all of that. And I've performed on the Hype TV school tour, a Hyper Hurry. I don't even remember, but one of them in 2014.
Yeah.
And I did a couple of them, but not even really remember. If you tell her the truth, I don't even remember. I did a couple of the Clarendon. I recently did but that's something the name again.
That's sure.
But I still remember, and I said to Elizabeth, oh, Cool Out Sunday, and all of that. And I did a couple little shows here and there, and all of that. So I'm just hoping I want to sting this year. I need to go find them, and I need to go find the people them forget to splash, and them look at something they can. After the song them, I can do it.
Okay. So are there any confirmed bookings coming up? So fans can see you.
Couple people link me, but I don't confirm with them as yet, so not yet. But I've got a couple people call me and tell me about shows and so forth. So it's just for the confirmation.
So will you be putting out an exclusive tape such as a mixtape album anytime soon?
Yes, I'm working on it, and I have so many songs. So I can't tell the date, but I know it's in the making. I'm finishing up some couple tracks, so as soon as those tracks finish up and I get them back from the producers, then I'll make the mixtape. I'll get the mixtape done, maybe by Don Kingston or one of them, you know, them Run Road mix CD Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you don't have a name for it as yet, or it's
not yet. But I have one out from 2014, I think, named Kingston Bad Girl.
Okay.
So people can search for it on YouTube. The name is Kingston Bad Girl, done mixed by DJ Snow from out of Europe. So they can look up for that one on YouTube also.
So how are fans' reaction on social media? Because I know that you have been doing a little thing.
Yeah. To tell you the truth, I'm just getting their attention. And one time I used to post things and they never used to like look. But now them a look. Yeah, now them a look. And I said, G's and Pims, look how me, no man, look how my song them good. And them not. But now I can see as I post my stuff, people view it, people they comment, they like it and all of that. So I say, yeah, it finally appeared.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's just patience, consistency, and believing in what you do.
Alright.
Yeah.
So fans on social media, we have talked about that. So tell us about the fans in the street.
Fans in the street now. Like, in the street, them not gonna really know say Sasique that, because the thing is, I have like 100 million different looks. So if them see me that I look say no, by next week when we do my ear in a different way, them don't know say I become look different. So like 1 or 2 people would know say Sasique this, but not majority, because I don't know when we get that something from what me did have a band so with them different. Every time I change my ear, I put on a wig that way and next I look different. I change it and came out, my ear go back, so I look different. I don't know why. So one other time somebody said to me, say, it's like you're on a run. Like you do something, you ever look different, but can't, when I see you, I can't know, say you, wow, what's up? So I'm gonna work on an image.
Yeah.
That is really important. So when fans see them can really know, say, ayo, I don't work with one the other day, but I just can't stay that one something for too long. I just can't stay that one something for too long, so I just have to eventually change. But when I get that one style that I like, then we stick to it so people can see me and know say I'm me. But differently, when I go out to perform and things like that, and them know say Sasique, yeah, them give me the love, and them really love Sasique. Even the schoolers them in the street, so when they see me, it's like, yeah, I don't know if I true me look young like them or but they give me that little something there, yeah.
So for fans who want to find you, right, where can they find you?
Well, they can find me on Instagram, Sasique Music, Facebook, Sasique Gold Wine. Every time they hear about that gold wine something, they always laugh, I don't know why. But on Facebook, Sasique Gold Wine, Twitter, Sasique Music. But the Facebook page soon change back to music, but through me that promote the Gold Wine song, yeah, so they can find me on those social media sites, yeah.
So what about YouTube?
And YouTube, Sasique Music also.
Okay, I saw the video. You had a video up. I was watching it this morning. Really good.
Which one is that?
I think is the
Ghetto People Somewhere?
yeah, the ghetto.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ghetto People Somewhere. Yeah, that's my first video. But due for one right now, it's still in
Yeah.
And I have one also named Go on my head too. Yeah.
You got one things, man.
So I wanted to shoot the video for Gold Wine, but I wait upon the girl them.
Okay.
The bad dancer girl them.
Alright. So Sasique, thank you for taking the time out to give OneKnockTV this wonderful interview.
Yeah.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Alright.
And thanks for having me. And one thing I want to say to the female artists them for just chill out and help them one another, because them don't see it hard for female in the music business. So it don't make no sense them fight against them one another, heal them one another, and the one you know want par with the one there because them the one you go mash up the show and then them get the hype and all like that. No, them have to just focus and help each other. Look how the male them, as bad as the male them fight and argue some of the time, them still help them one another. Them do a collaboration with the one there and them push out the one there, so to speak, like Cartel, Bounty, them man there. You get what me I say? Them have a legacy, so even if them dead, them have a legacy to live on. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
Funny thing about it, Lady Star never did really bust no female artist, so now she transit to gospel. She not have the legacy there where say. She have a legacy, you know, but not the legacy that we bring her and say she did bust some female artists and make them and I bring her name same way. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
So some of them can do the same. Like Spice now, me know so she fight hard. Yeah, she fight hard for her career. And a little fight she fight for reach where she did. But at the end of the day, she still can run with a one female same way and say, I know how it feel, bust a little one yeah, same way and par with her and do a little thing. You don't have to be me, you don't have to be she, but you can be somebody else where you look up what she like and whatever and say. You know, so the artists that have talent, I bust the artist there, you know, Ray, call her up and introduce her and say me a run. Should I get more hype? I tell her. Yeah. And big up Blaze It Up production. You don't know what this is the thing there. And big up all of the producers them. If I Sasique and see the talent and say Sasique you're bad. I big up all of my fans them who support the thing same way. You get what I say? Yeah. Real bad girl Sasique. Dead body. Me no want no. Dead body. Get away with you. Dead body. Me no play with. Dead body. Take the dead body, put in at the hearse. Take the dead body, bring it down a church. Get that fork and dig up the dirt and put that dead body under the earth. Me no feel it, me no like it. It no sweet me, it no nice me. Keep it in your pants, hide it. When you see me, hello, avoid me. Dead body. Big up Johnny Cole, I'm feel left out Johnny Cole, you mad? Johnny Cole take up the big song and play it. Gear freestyle. Big up yourself. Sasique represent. Alright, big up all of the people them were true to the thing. OneKnockTV. Yeah, the girl them TV. Don't say a word.